Okay, this is the TV7, what is it, AU tube tester that I picked up. And it's not really showing how dirty it is in the video. I already cleaned the top of it, and I'll show you the before and after when compared to the box for the main tube tester. That's the lid. And, you know, it's a dirty old military gray, but it looks a lot better than it did after using a little scratch polish on it. And this, it looks like it's got some smoke on it. So it just needs a good cleaning, and I think it'll look a lot better. Maybe I'll try and get some of that tape residue off of there too. But it shouldn't take real long. So I'm going to go get a paintbrush. I'm going to get started with the Goop hand cleaner. And this is the non-pumice kind. It's just the white, which is the best for doing stuff like that. And I'll scrub in small areas with a paintbrush, and then I'll wipe it clean. Well, you can see where I cleaned it, where it says shunt noise W and X, and then you look up, and that one hasn't been cleaned, where it says, 100 and 0. You can see the line of demarcation right there. Shiny there. Looks like it's got dirt, grease, maybe smoke residue. So, yeah, Goop hand cleaner is a wonderful thing. It's gentle. It evaporates eventually. So, I'll get this thing all cleaned up. It's pretty grubby, but I think it'll look pretty good after I get it done. I need to find out who made it. If you take a look over here, there is no identifier there. So makes it a little bit more difficult to find out who it is, but I'm sure there are people out there that are a lot more knowledgeable than me that will be able to tell me. So I'll take a picture of it after I get it done. I'm sure it will look a lot better. Okay, well, here's the after. Took the knobs off so I could get at it better. Still needs a little bit of wipe off. I'll probably wet a rag with some Windex and finish wiping it off, but it looks a heck of a lot cleaner. Got to be careful. I used a brush, so I was careful not to get it down in any of the sockets, especially those miniature sockets. Trying to clean those would have been a bear. There was a spot there where there was tape residue that came off almost completely, and the worst one was right down here, and there's still a few marks, but boy, it looks a heck of a lot better. So anyway, I'm going to put it back together, and we'll see. It works great. So hopefully I didn't do anything to it while it was being cleaned, and I doubt if I did because I was very careful. But no, it looks really good. I'll probably polish the chicken head knobs too. So I'll update it, and later on maybe we'll see some tubes tested. Well, I thought I was going to clean it with Windex, and I made the mistake of using some automotive fine scratch remover, and I shined up a clean spot on it. So I just decided, well, in for a penny, in for a pound. So I went ahead and went around and just shined the whole thing. It removed the dead paint, didn't bother the lettering, but it really did help. A lot cleaner. I still need to clean the glass on that, but yeah, it shined it up very nicely. It looks really good now. I did the knobs, so they're nice and shiny. Even the jewel It looks pretty good. Somebody, though, scratched on the back of that, help. So, probably some jokester in the army wanted to leave his mark. I'll see if I can get rid of that. But if not, hey, it's part of it. Maybe I'll just leave it as a little bit of its aging process. It'd be neat to know who did it. Okay,